Hello and welcome to this tutorial where we will show you how to convert your AML tokens into AML Bitcoins. For that you go to amlwallet.com, you will log in, go to my account, and here you will see a new button that is called Token Swap. You go to proceed. Alright, now here you will go to general AML token address, and then you have to copy the address and go back into your AML token wallet. Please note, this is not your AML Bitcoin wallet, this is your AML token wallet that you actually got and downloaded while you put the tokens there. Here you will go to send, you go to pay to, you just put in your wallet address. If you want, you can just put a label. We can just call this token conversion. Then we will put the amount. In our case, this is 2000 ABTC. You will basically have to go to subtract fee from amount. The fee will be deducted from the amount being sent. The recipient will receive less AML tokens than you enter in the amount field. If multiple recipients are selected, the fee is split equally. Here you can see the transaction fee. Now we will go to send. I usually want to send. This is basically our amount of ABTC to token conversion because we labeled the token conversion. If you put a different label, there will be a different name, of course. There's also a little transaction fee added to it. Now you can go to yes. Here you can see a little button popping up, AML token, send transaction. And now you have to wait 24 hours right now actually till your token will be converted into AML Bitcoin. Now let's go back to amlwallet.com. Log into our account, and if you go to token swap, you will see that this amount, 2000 ABTC, have now been actually converted from token to AML Bitcoin. Here you can see the receiving transaction. If you're interested in details, took 230 confirmations. And you can also see the information about the sending, basically what kind of block number we are working on. And now if we go back to our wallet, you can see here 1999 ABTC have been transferred to our wallet. That's it. Thanks for your time and see you in the next video.